Hi everyone, this is Khalid. I'm a PhD student at Ulster University. In this video, I'm going to talk about Smart Stethoscope, which was developed to detect 6 different congenital heart diseases and 3 different lung diseases. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps the blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system, and it consists of 4 chambers including right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, and it has also several valves including tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, aortic valve, and mitral valve. According to this structure, patients might have different congenital heart diseases such as ventricular septal defect, atrial septal defect, pulmonary stenosis, pulmonary regurg, and mitral regurg. Cardiac physicians use the traditional stethoscope to diagnose congenital heart diseases. So they use the stethoscope to hear the heart sounds from 4 different auscultation areas, including the aortic area, tricuspid area, the pulmonic area, and the mitral area. However, this traditional stethoscope is not useful to detect some congenital heart diseases such as atrial septal defect. Hence, cardiac physicians apply further assessment such as echocardiogram scan. However, this echocardiogram scan is expensive. Hence, cardiac physicians require enhanced technology to get faster and cheap diagnoses. So a group of researchers, which led by Professor Hisham al-Mahdi, Professor Majd Qutb, and Khalid al-Joub, developed a digital stethoscope that can detect 6 different congenital heart diseases and 3 different lung diseases. So this work started in 2015 and it ended in 2016. We collected the dataset from Cairo University Pediatric Hospital. So we recruited 1,000 patients from 3 different departments, from the echocardiography department, the radiology department, and the emergency department. So we use the traditional stethoscope with a small microphone and with a laptop to record the data. So we recorded the heart sounds from 4 different auscultation areas and from the chest wall to hear the lung sound as well. And we stored those sounds on the laptop. After that, we started building the machine learning algorithm. So we extract features from each recorded sound, and then we used hidden Markov model to build the machine learning model. So we use 70% of the data to train the model, and we use 30% of the data to test the model. And after each testing iteration, we shuffle the dataset to avoid overfitting. Those tables show the performance of the developed digital stethoscope, the Smart Stethoscope, and it obtained a high performance to detect VSD, pulmonary stenosis, PDA, pulmonary regurg, mitral regurg, and aortic stenosis. In the lung diseases, it obtained a high performance to detect 3 different lung diseases, including bronchial breathing, crepitation, and wheezes. Based on those results, we published 2 journal papers and 1 conference paper. This is the structure of the developed Smart Stethoscope. It has traditional stethoscope combined with small microphone, a laptop, an Arduino board, a heart rate sensor, and a digital screen to show the final diagnosis. And this is a real photo of the developed Smart Stethoscope. Thank you for listening.